afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 63. The instruction to this question says, choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. And to question number 63, the sentence here said, he bought a new set of dash television. He bought a new set of dash television. Now option A says colored television, B color, C colors, then D coloring. In this expression, coloring cannot function because we are not talking of continuous verb, and this is gerundum in English because the word color is an adjective, is an adjectival word, but functioning as a verb, but functioning as a verb, so it cannot be. Then colors, in fact colors is not an English expression because there is not like colors. Color is under zero now, zero now, so we cannot say colors. So colors is not an English expression. Then color, yes, but why color cannot function in this expression is because the nature of the television is already programmed. The television is programmed for color, so we can say that he bought his new set of colored television. He bought a new set of what? Colored television. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.